Alright, to enable notifications for the Huawei Band 9 from your Android phone, you would need to go in this Huawei Health app, which needs to be installed on your phone. Here, make sure that your band is connected to this app, and you will see it here in the devices section and its battery percentage. Simply select it, and after that, go in the notifications tab. And here, to receive notifications, you would need to enable it by tapping on the switcher like that. And here you would see from which apps you can receive notifications. Some of them you can enable or disable manually just by tapping on those switchers. Also, you can mute notifications when using the phone. If you want to enable it, simply tap on the switcher like that. If you're still not receiving notifications, maybe the permissions for this Huawei Health app are disabled in your settings. So for that, we would need to open settings. Here we need to find our Huawei Health app. I'm just gonna use the search bar to find this app. Here, go in the notifications and make sure that they are allowed. If not, just tap on the switcher like that to enable. And yeah, that's it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.